Okay, was able to hit up Walmart the other day, and I was able to get the truck series and a couple other cars. And then the next day I hit Target. So it's been a couple days since I did that. Let's look what I got from Target. All right, I got the 14 Corvette Stingray. It's from the Then and Now. So always good to have some Corvettes. I was able to get the 15 Ford F-150, and this one's in pretty good shape. So this would be the one I don't open. I believe I got a couple from Walmart that I can open. Then I found the Super Mario. He's just cool. It's kind of weird they put him kind of in this movie Hot Wheels screen time. But I like that they put the series on the front, and and this is 4 of 5. First up here, this tells it's 224 of 250, and you got Mario there. This is the English card. This is from case B. What do we got? If I can see it on this one. It looks like H37. They stamped the date they made the vehicle on the bottom. Anyway, they put the series on the front now. So this is 4 or 5, which is good if you're collecting them all. It's kind of in a weird series, But on the back we got Hot Wheels screen time, cars inspired by your favorite movies, TV shows, video games, and more. Of course, that's a video game. So that's kind of a broad series to be in. On the back it says the cool one. It's got this little Hot Wheels Showdown. Right here, 2015 Mattel. So, alright. What we got from Walmart. Alright, this is the Corvette Stingray from the Hot Wheels Mild to Wild series. 3 of 10. He is car 58 of 250. Now, when I was at Walmart, they had this huge dump bin. It was way too deep. It was one of these big metal ones. It wasn't like the cardboard ones. This bin was probably 4 feet deep, and it was just full of Hot Wheels, and it was very hard to look through. The cars were getting torn up, lots of open packages. It was a very bad idea, whoever did that. But the good thing, the regular cars at Walmart, at my Walmart, that's not the ticket, but these were 50 cents. So they were having some kind of promotion, so that was the good thing. Let's look at the base real quick. Like this base, I can see it a little better. It has H38. So that'd be the 38th week of, I believe H would have been 2015. Anyway, that's a Corvette. We'll keep all the Corvettes together. Let's keep moving. Let's keep this video fresh. I thought I got another truck. I guess this was it. Alright, so I did get another 15 Ford F-150 that I could open, because it's kind of tore up from the Walmart bin. We can kind of look at that a little bit. The super lift there, and I guess that's what the S is. This is cool. Alright, let's grab something else. Let's hold on to Batman. Okay, here's another Corvette. It's a 14 Stingray. Hot Wheels Speed Graphics, 5 of 10. What would have been cool is on the back, if they would have listed each car, you know, like car 1 is this car, car 5 is the Corvette Stingray. Speed graphics, I don't know if that means it has advertisements or if it's like race car stuff. Like he's 180 of 250. Corvettes together. Let's see. Here's another truck. The custom 72 Chevy Love. The Hot Wheels truck. This is truck 8 of 10. And where this one is truck 1 of 10. It's even got Chevrolet on the back. It's pretty cool. I try to get the trucks. I like them a lot. I don't get every one, but here's a 66 Ford 427 Fairlane. And it has the Hot Wheels Flames on it from the Flame series. Car 5 of 10. Right here, 95 250. As voted online, all featuring cool flame details. So, I mean, that's something I didn't know. I collect Hot Wheels, you know, here and there. Not an expert. Came from KC. So apparently, I guess sometime last year they voted on this. There's a warning for not suitable for children under 36 months, small parts. Well, it's on this one too. I guess that's on all of them. Just noticed it. Alright, cool. What else we got? Mercury Cougar. I may have this one, but this is one of those that when I see it, I just love it. So I think I may have this one. I just grabbed it because I know it's from last year. It's from the Q case. Right here it says 2015. You can kind of tell this is how they changed the cards from last year to this year. You know, it still has the showdown, but it's over in the corner. Alright, this one, I love this one. I couldn't find a good card for with this one. But it's car 101 of 250. The Aston Martin 1963 DB5. Got a little license plate on the back. Looks like it says DB5. They put a couple tail light tampons, looks like, and one probably for the Aston Martin symbol. Headlights. Grill looks pretty cool. The way they did that. That's to be the interior of the car. What else can we see on here? Made in Malaysia, Aston Martin. And this is that's too hard for me to see. I think that might say 2013 Mattel. Try to look at that and I'll make it pop up. That's a cool one though. And then we got the off-duty. Not a licensed truck, but he is a truck. So he's truck 6 of 10. So just right here, I had 3 of the trucks. And then we got the Batmobile from the Batman series. This is car 5 of 5. It's new for 2016. Batmobile. It's got the Superman. Excuse me. The Batman versus Superman. Help Batman fight crime and protect Gotham in these Batmobile inspired vehicles. Right here it has a little bit. It's born in 2015. Gotham City, designer Bruce Wayne. Specialty, first revealed in Batman vs. Superman, Dawn of Justice. This Batmobile features requestable wings, plus partial wheel covers, and plenty of heavy artillery. The gull wing doors, apparently. Batmobile. This is the Batmobile, and be sure to have your Batman Dr. Pepper. This is Cam 105. Batman versus Superman. That aside, I'll pause the camera for a minute, and then we got the truck series from Walmart. We'll look at those real quick. Okay, let's look at these Walmart exclusive truck series. At my Walmart, these were 94 cents. On the back, it has what they are. You got the 2009 F-150, the 69 Chevy pickup, 79 Ford, the Datsun, the Nissan, Bronco, Silverado, and the 10 Toyota Tundra. I could not find this Datsun. Looked like someone had bought them all, and I dug through the bin. The bin was huge. I dug down as far as I could. There wasn't one that was even open or tore up or nothing, so I couldn't find this one at all, the Datsun. And did get two of these, and the Ford ones. So let's see. Looks like this one will be the one I open. So it's the 09 Ford F-150. Look at him real quick. Looks pretty good, actually. Kind of neat the way they did the window yellow. Not a truck you'd want to be driving in real life, really. Got the yellow windows. All right. Well, that's cool. And I'll go through them in order. Here's number 2. The rest of them I just bought one of each. But some of you guys know they messed up on the glue at the factory. So most of these have tape on them, where they've taped them up. And this car is really beat up. So I'll open this one later. I'm not gonna open it now, but whenever I display it. Let's see. So that's the Chevy pickup. This one, they had a ton of these. They had a lot of this Ford one too. And the number 1. They had a ton of these, and a lot of them were tore up, like this one. And this is the 79 Ford pickup, and he's all coming apart here. I only bought one of him. I'll go ahead and open this guy up, since he's so tore up anyway. I'll come back at the end and try to pull that off. It looks like it's part of the tailgate. I didn't realize that. So, they had a ton of this one. This one's pretty cool. The Nissan Titan. I'd like to see this one just in like a regular truck though. He'd be cool. The Ford custom Ford Bronco. He's cool. And here's the Silverado. I know I saw a few of this one. There may have been more of him. There was probably some more of this guy. But it seemed like most of them in the bin were this one. Toyota Tundra. This car is not, well, it's kind of crinkled here. This one looks cool. It looks almost like a truck you'd see on the street, rolling out of your local Toyota dealership. Which that would have been 6 years ago. He's pretty cool. Let's pause it for a minute and I'll see if I can get this off. Okay. It came off eventually. So not really designed to come off, looks like. I mean, it does. But there's no bed, so there's no really play value out of that with no bed in the truck. You can make your own bed. So that's what I got today. There it goes.